If I like someone, hindi ko na pinapalagan. But not to the point of sleeping together sa first date pa lamang. But hey, I was 24 at the time, trying to live a new chapter sa buhay ko kaya pumayag ako.
No, 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 no.
Ang ayaw ng damit ay naramdaman I was so carried away by the heat of the moment. As soon as Mary wasn't bothered kissing my body habang ako ay tila paralisado na hindi makagalaw at nakatitig lamang sa kababalaghang anytime